highlighter in modeling clay, a bronzer in a pencil sharpener, and eyeshadow in a notebook? These beauty products also want to come to class, especially if it's at our beauty school. Miss Smith arrives in class with a whole new look. Is she actually wearing a paper lamp costume? Or is this how stylish teachers wear their hair nowadays? Put a shower cap onto a balloon. Now we will need paper stickers of different colors. Coat them with glue for extra security. And attach them layer after layer onto the cap, alternating the colors. Cover the entire surface. The girls don't know a single thing about fashion. First of all, this new wig is very handy. You can write notes right on the paper strands. Second of all, we've got a makeup class today according to the schedule. So long! Goodbye, boring classes! Take out mirrors instead of textbooks. And when did Miss Smith manage to become so modern and forward-looking? Will we actually study the biology of lipstick and calculate the density of concealer? The topic of today's class is the composition of blush. Dolly tests blush like a diligent student and writes down the result. And Daisy decides to fix her nails with a utility knife? Hide it right now! The teacher will see it. Cut a nail file. Take off the abrasive layer on one side. Make a hole on the cut end using an awl. And insert a utility knife handle in it. Put the nail file into the body. Miss Smith tests the best brush angle for applying blush by herself. She is especially good at making a pink mustache. Dolly is afraid that the teacher will take her nail file away, but makeup classes have their own rules. Nice nails are a must for a straight-A student in makeup class. This utility knife nail file will certainly come in handy. Dolly needs to get her grades up as fast as possible. Miss Smith checks how the girls digest all their new knowledge. Dolly's look deserves a high grade. Her eyeliner is straight and her bangs are fresh. But Daisy didn't complete all the tasks. She was definitely absent when we were discussing hair accessories. Otherwise, how can you explain this clashing hairpin? Miss Smith has an exclusive stapler hair clip. Hot glue a stapler to a hair clip. This accessory is more suitable for Daisy's nerdy look. But wearing a stapler on your head is pretty difficult. It's actually very heavy. Oh, Miss Smith and her visions of beauty. Her teaching spirit is not something you can hide. Miss Smith even applies glue instead of lip gloss to her lips. Holy guacamole! Take an empty glue stick tube. Cut a big syringe and take out the plunger. Cover parchment paper with fatty cream and attach the syringe to it vertically using hot glue. Melt leftovers of different lipsticks over a candle and pour them onto the syringe layer after layer. Cool down every layer in the fridge so that the colors don't mix. Cut the tip off the plunger. Clean the glue stick tube. Take the syringe with hardened lipstick off the parchment paper and move the lipstick forward with the flat plunger. Make a hole with a toothpick at the base of the lipstick and move the lipstick into the glue stick tube with the plunger. The girls notice that Miss Smith moves the glue stick to her mouth. No, you can't do that! But Miss Smith is never wrong. This is not a glue stick. This is a school lipstick. It's time for a practical task. Will the girls be able to apply glue lipstick? The students nail it. They didn't just apply lipstick, they also replicate Miss Smith's look. The teacher is happy. Everyone gets an A. It's a modeling clay beauty class. Dolly has already made Angelina Jolie's 3D lips, and Redhead made a stylish snake. But Miss Smith reveals one more secret. There is highlighter hidden in this modeling clay. Take a white stick of clay out of a modeling clay packet.